In a pivot table, you could create calculated fields using formulas that will work with the sum of other pivot tables. Calculated pivot tables can add more power to your pivot tables. We want to create a calculated field showing the difference between the final cost totals and the budget totals. To insert a calculated field, click on the pivot table. Go to the Pivot Table Analyze tab. Next, click on the Fields, Items, and Sets. Then choose Calculated Field. Type the name Difference in the name box. Click into the formula box to create a formula that subtracts the budget field amount from the final cost field amount. To the right of the equal sign, select the 0. Click on Field Cost Field Amount. Click the minus key on the keyboard, and then click Budget Field. View the formula for any errors. Click OK. To change the format of the field, go to Values at the bottom of the pivot table fields. Click on the down arrow on the calculated field. Choose Value Field Settings. Click the number format. Choose the category and view the sample how the field will be modified. When finished modifying, click OK, and then click OK again. To edit or delete calculated fields, click on the pivot table. Go to the Pivot Table Analyze tab. Next, click on Fields, Items, and Sets. Choose Calculated Field. In the Name field, click the drop-down Calculated Field and edit the formula. Here you can modify or delete the calculated field. When finished editing or deleting, click OK. You have just learned how to create a calculated field in a pivot table.